We're back. Happy spring, everyone. Finally coming out of hibernation a little bit. We're just doing a little quick one-day camping trip up in Pecos. And I just climbed about 100 or so feet up the cliff right above our campsite, getting some nice views. Campsite's way down there. Anyways, we decided to come out here and we're just gonna stay for one night. We've had a lot of stuff going on. Both of our parents have been having medical issues and been crazy busy with work and a bunch of other stuff, so it's nice to get back out, just sleep by a stream, breathe some fresh mountain air, just get away from the city for a little while. So we were really looking forward to this, and it's just beautiful up here. We're I don't know if I mentioned, but we're in Pecos, but we're off to on a little side canyon just to get away from the craziness of the main canyon. And it's just, I think 2 cars have driven by all day. It's nice and quiet. It feels like we have the place all to ourselves, and just looking forward to a beautiful night. Just making some dinner here in the tent. It's a little breezy outside, so it's making it hard to boil the water. That, and there is a stage 1 fire restriction up here in the Santa Fe National Forest right now, so no campfires where we're at. Tonight for dinner, Melanie is having the beef lasagna, and I decided to go with the chicken fajita bowl. Pretty stoked for these. I've had them both. They're both excellent. This is our little cozy abode for the night. And once dinner's ready, we're gonna get to eating that. It's beautiful up here tonight. It's exactly what I needed. Melanie says the same thing. All right, we're all tucked in for bed. Since we couldn't have a campfire, we kind of wanted to go to bed early. So we just sat up, looked at the stars for a little bit, and hitting the sack. So we got camp all packed up, loading up the truck now. But it's a beautiful sight, but let me say, some people out there are trash. This is all the trash that we picked up from our campsite. There was a ton of it. Just broken glass, cans. I mean, there's still a ton of broken glass out there, but just all kinds of plastic garbage, just all over the place. So if you're gonna go camping in beautiful places, leave it beautiful. So Melanie, what do you think of this campsite?
I'd like to come back here.
Yeah? Everything except for all the trash?
Except for the trash. It was like an anti-treasure hunt.
Right.
Pack up your trash, people.
Yeah. It's a really beautiful place up here. A lot of fishermen out this morning, I guess. I just talked to a fisherman. He said they stocked it on Tuesday. But I've only seen one person pull a fish out so far. It was a nice one though. This is the site I stayed at a couple years ago. The first time I ever came up here. Put my tent down right here. My buddy Asa had his tent over there. That was in the middle of June. And there was this crazy caterpillar outbreak. Like, I mean, billions of them. Like, the ground was moving. And they were just dropping out of the trees nonstop. We had to sit under the tarp the whole time to keep them off us. But I do love this little pool here. And I mean, the river's running pretty high right now, but I know that's probably at least like 5, 6, 7 feet deep there at the base of the rocks. It was a little bit easier to cross when the water was lower, so I came across here, or maybe it was farther back here somewhere. I came up, and of course, being me, I had to climb the rock. It's pretty. This is what I'm talking about, people. Don't be shitty. So we made it back down to Pecos. Taking Melanie up the main canyon. She's never been up here. Checking a few of the little sites out, but I think it's about time to head back. Turn around and head back to Albuquerque. Probably take us about 2 hours from here, so it's a fun weekend, at least a fun night. but I think getting away was exactly what both of us needed.